Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And yep, I'm back in action again. As most of you know, a couple months ago I had surgery on my wrist and hand, but I'm all healed up now and I'm ready to get back into the swing of things. So today we're going to go ahead and do a tool review to get started. So thanks again to everybody, all my subscribers and everybody who supported me. Thank you for all the kind comments and stuff. And I say we get to it. Okay, so what we have here is the portable work stands, 200-pound capacity. Got these at Harbor Freight, $20. I needed an extra set of legs, so I picked up 2 of them. Of course, they're not going to be as strong as my stands I bought in Summit. Those are like 700-pound capacity. These are only 200, but they're good enough for like 1 door each. Got my doors right here. That way I can work on them and not have to move until I'm done. But anyways, let's put them together. See what I'm gonna need. Like I said, I got these at Harbor Freight, so that's where you go when you're on a budget. Anyhow, so right off the bat, okay, everything's in a big old plastic bag. That's cool. Okay, can't even put my knife away. Go figure. Anyways, so, and I'm gonna need it again. It's hard coming back from a 2-month hiatus. Oh well, anyways. Let's go ahead and, hopefully now I got it right. Anyhow, we got instructions. Alright. Everything's got to come with instructions. A lot to it. Not really, just a lot of parts. Excuse me. And we'll probably just need basic tools, like anything else. Probably may not even need tools. I don't know. Anyways, so in this little bag we got the 2 chains and the hooks and the rubber foot stops and stuff. Okay, that's what holds it all together. And everything's blown away because I got my fan on. So then we got the 2 foam protection pads that go onto the tops here. Let's go ahead and put those on while we're at it. Alright. There we go. And of course later on, once it wears out, just go to the store, buy some of those pool noodles and put those on there. Those work great too. Go ahead and do the other one. So like I was saying earlier in my intro, it's been at least 2 months now since I had my hand and my wrist operated on because of the broken screws that were in the plate that was in there. But they went ahead and removed the plate, did my physical therapy, got the stitches pulled out, and everything's going good so far. I still got to be kind of careful though on using it to torque stuff down or to pick heavy stuff up, because the inside of my finger has a hole in it, and until all that bone marrow and all that grows back in there and reinforces it, you know, there's a chance of it snapping in half. So I got to be careful about that. So, all right, we don't need that no more. Okay, don't need that. Adios, box. All right, here we got the legs. Let's see how they want us to do the legs. Okay. Do 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 do. Okay. They're all basically the same size and everything from what I see. Okay. This is obviously where the pivot point is at on there. Or no, that's actually where the chain goes, it looks like. How many sets of holes are in here? Oh, I see. Hold on. Alright. This is where the, I guess it'd be easy just to look at the one that's already made. There we go. So that's going to go there, and then the chain hook chingadera thing is going to go there. Oh, this is really turning out to be one ridiculous video, but I don't care. Yeah. Alright. Go away. Alright. So obviously we have two pieces of chain. Okay, and they have a little eyelet, threaded eyelet already on there. Okay, so that'll be one on each side. Alright. Then you got the one that got a hook to it. Unfortunately, the camera's a distance away so that I can focus on the whole picture here. So let's go ahead and put that on there. Okay. Let me see, what is it? Not enough washers or something. No, doesn't tell you what to do. So, use my imagination. Sure. So then I think I'll put a washer here. That in there. Okay. We got those. Wow, sure is a lot of nut and bolt in here. So, but there's only 4 of them that have the rubber seal, you know, the little rubber insert. Not very many washers either. So I'm thinking, okay, it's supposed to be 9 washers, huh? Well, there's definitely not 9 washers here, that's for sure. There's only 3 of them. So there went that. Let me see. I've got 3 lock washers. Nope, don't got that either. Well, I'll tell you what, folks. Let's go ahead and looks like I'm going to have to use some of my own washers, and once I get one put together, we'll go ahead and bring you back on. here you have it. After a lot of findangling, I guess that's how you say it, and using some of my own washers and stuff, we got it all put together. There's 2 extra stands right there that I could use. They work just as nice. They're not as sturdy as, of course, my ones I bought at Summit. They're much bigger pipe and stuff, and a lot sturdier, of course. But for like the doors and stuff, I think that's gonna do perfectly fine. And the chain's fairly long. I mean, if you see, let's put this on the last link here. All right. If I can get it out of there. Jeez. All right, come on, Fernando. So that's the last link right there, the longest link. That's pretty low, but it's still real wide, okay? And that gives you, from one end to the other, that's 32 inches, okay? That's 2'9" from end to end. So that's fairly wide. I mean, that gives you a lot right there, But normally, most guys, we all have them up to about right here, all right, which would be basically, let me see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 links on the chain is about normal for most body work, because that's about waist high for us, all right. So that there gives you 21 inches from end to end to lay something on top of there. Okay. Now I have to put my doors on there. Okay. So, but unfortunately, right now they're too heavy for my hand, and I don't have the strength to pick up my door, because those are heavy doors, all right, and lay it up here. But I just thought I'd give you guys a look at the Harbor Freight work stand, okay, for $21 at Harbor Freight. And for the light work, like I said, it'll hold those doors up, but like I said, right now I can't pick them up. So, but anyways, this is the stands. They're fairly sturdy. They're supposed to be 200-pound capability, and I don't think I have any parts of my truck that weigh 200 pounds. And other than the whole cab, but I'm not going to be putting no cab on here. But anyways, this is it. And like I said, one downfall was it didn't come with all the nuts and bolts that it was supposed to come with. So I had to use some of my own. But everything that did come with, it's basically a 10 millimeter. Okay, so and that's all I needed was just 10 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter wrench, and of course my pocket knife to open the bag up. But that was cool. But and then the other thing was it's got a lot of this galvanized protection stuff that came off on my hands, which I need to go wash. So I mean, I guess you could use rubber gloves or a thinner cotton glove if you don't want to get all that on you, which it's not going to hurt you any if you go ahead and wash it off right away. Or all it is just the coating protection they put on these, because they're aluminum legs. Okay, they're not like stainless steel or anything. But anyhow, like I said, well, I'm okay with this. This will work, and can't wait to use them. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope I redeemed myself. And like I said, I'm back, and we're going to try to get some more content out for you guys on the 63. So y'all please subscribe, push the like button, and thanks for watching. God bless.